Do you ever go to the fridge to get something to eat and there's nothing in there? So you go away, you do some bits and pieces, come back 5 minutes later just to check if there's anything in there that you want to eat, but in the previous 5 minutes you haven't actually put any new food in the fridge, so there's not anything new in there and there's nothing for you to eat. That is pretty much me on a daily basis, and I feel like our fridge has been virtually empty for I don't even know how long. We just managed to scrape by and on scraps of food and, you know, meal prepping and, you know, using leftovers and whatnot, but it has come to the point where I literally need to do a massive shop. So I figured that for today's video I would film a big grocery haul, show you guys all the things that I get, and oh, hello there, and then do a full day of eating tomorrow using all my fresh healthy groceries. And it's also like it's a busy time of the year, and you know, school's, you know, getting a bit full on, there's lots going on at the moment, so I really not only need to do a whole heap of grocery shopping but just like stuff around the house as well. So I think that it's going to be an expensive one, but I'm keen for you guys to see what I buy and hopefully, I don't know, get some inspiration to spruce up your own groceries and your own fridge. So I just got back from the grocery store and this is all the shopping that I got. The whole lot of this cost me $207, which is like double our normal grocery shop. Normally we're up to about 100, 150 max on a regular week. So I got myself flowers, which wasn't on the list, but you know, got to treat yourself. A few little bits of fruit and vegetables, another treat. I haven't tried this flavor, but I have tried this brand and it is really good. So I'm home alone, so this is a little treat for me tonight. Eggs are such a staple, and I've gone back to trying the coffee pods. So I got a few different flavors of that, but also I'm loving some decaf coffee these days, so I needed one of those. I've not tried this flavor of kombucha or this brand, strawberry peach, but I'm really keen to give that a little try tonight. Got a few regular household items like toilet paper, paper towel, toothpaste. Got myself some probiotics because I've just been feeling, you know, like my digestive system's a little bit off. A few things of meat. Salmon is definitely one of my faves. And then I use these chicken tenders for my meal prep. Pies are good. It's just like a little thing to have in the freezer just in case on a weekend. And these are some chicken necks for the dog. I also got him some crunchies, but they are outside. We use raw sugar here. I personally don't have it myself, but Dave does. And I also bought him some Up and Goes, also not on the list, but he likes to have them. Wheat Bix are what I normally have for breakfast during the week, and some stuff for pasta, and that is pretty well it. I always find it super irritating when I'm watching someone's grocery haul and they show me all their gear, but then decide that they need to tell me, and then I got a broccoli and I also got myself some sweet potato. It's like, I'm looking at it, love. I know it's broccoli, I know it's sweet potato. You don't need to give me the full rundown. So I didn't bother doing that. But I think it's time for me to put all this gear away, and then I'll catch you guys in the AM for some breakfast. So maybe we'll just swipe to a nice little time lapse and then head straight to the morning. Clearly this is not a meal, but the first thing of the day is going to be a big drink of water with a little bit of apple cider vinegar in it, just to stimulate my digestive system. I woke up feeling super dehydrated, so this is going to be very necessary to start the day. Now that I've downed some water, I've made myself a little coffee and I'm taking it into bed to watch some Netflix. This is just part of my little Sunday routine. I know it's counterproductive to have a coffee after water, but I only have like one a day. So bed is ready for me, not for you, son. You can go out on your bed, please. Mummy's having her coffee. Goodbye. Goodbye? On your bed? No? Okay then. gym and I'm actually quite hungry. I've worked up a bit of an appetite. I'm ready for my meal number 2. So I'm just going to make myself a little protein smoothie with banana, some peanut butter, vanilla protein, maca powder, LSA, and then some milk. And I might just make myself a little sandwich or some toast to go with it. Sit down and relax a little bit before I start getting into some more chores around the house. Now it's time, isn't it, bud? Time for us to go for a walk. Go for a walk? Yes? We're gonna go for a quick walk around the block, and then when I come back, I'm going to prep myself some dinner and my meal prep lunches for the week. Dinner tonight is leftover Asian salad with some rissoles and a kombucha, and I'll sit down and eat that while I wait for my lunch meal prep to be done. So that is pretty much my full day of eating done, and this really does replicate what I eat on a weekly basis in terms of the weekend. And the meals that you saw me meal prepping for lunch, I literally make those every single Sunday arvo. I know it's super boring to be eating the same thing for lunch every single day, but honestly, like, my life as a teacher is so chaotic. My days are sometimes really frantic, so being able to just go in and already have lunch pre-made, it's just so much easier. And that's pretty much my day done, and the rest is relaxing for the remainder of my Sunday before all the chaos starts again tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye guys.